It begins so quietly. Most people never notice it. A small shift in how you walk. A slight hesitation before standing. A stiffness that feels almost normal. But what if that tiny signal is actually your body warning you that something deeper is breaking down? For years, your bones have been silently changing. Not with pain, not with drama, but with gradual loss. Density slipping away. Strength fading beneath the surface. And the most dangerous part? By the time most people realize it, the damage is already done. There is one signal, subtle, almost invisible, that often appears long before a fracture. It doesn't scream for attention. It whispers. A moment of imbalance. A slight weakness on one side. A hesitation in your step. Something feels off. At first, it's easy to ignore. You tell yourself it's just age, just fatigue, just a bad day. But your body doesn't send random signals. Every imbalance has a cause. And sometimes, that cause is far more serious than it seems. Deep inside your body, your bones are constantly rebuilding themselves. Old tissue breaks down. New tissue forms. But as we age, that balance begins to shift. The breakdown speeds up. The rebuilding slows down. And slowly, invisibly, bones become fragile. This is where the signal begins. Not in the bone itself, but in how your body moves. Muscles begin to compensate. Joints shift slightly out of alignment. And one side of your body may begin to carry more load than the other. You might notice it when climbing stairs. One leg feels weaker. Or when standing up, one side pushes harder. These small changes seem harmless, but they are not random. They are the body adapting to hidden weakness. Over time, this imbalance creates stress. Uneven pressure builds in your hips, knees, and spine. And where pressure increases, risk follows. This is how fractures begin. Not with a fall, but with imbalance. Most people believe fractures happen suddenly. A slip, a fall, an accident. But in reality, the process starts long before, with weakening bones and subtle signals that go unnoticed. There's one area where this becomes especially dangerous: the hips. The hip joint carries your body weight every single day. And when one side becomes weaker, the load shifts, increasing strain.
Increasing risk. And here's the critical truth. Many hip fractures happen not because of a major fall, but because the bone was already too weak to handle even minor stress. The signal was there, but it was missed. So what exactly is this signal? It's not pain. It's not injury. It's asymmetry. A difference in strength, balance, or control between one side of your body and the other. You can test it right now. Stand up from a chair without using your hands. Notice which leg works harder. Or try balancing on one leg. Does one side feel unstable? That instability could be your early warning. The good news is, this signal is not just a warning. It's an opportunity. Because when caught early, the process can be slowed, even reversed. Strength training becomes critical. Not just general exercise, but targeted movements that restore balance. Muscles support bones, and stronger muscles reduce stress on fragile structures. Nutrition plays a role too. Calcium, vitamin D, and protein are essential, but they only work if your body is actively using them. Movement, resistance, load, these are what tell your body to stay strong. And perhaps most importantly, awareness. The ability to recognize small changes before they become major problems. Because your body is always communicating. The question is, are you listening? Many people wait until it's too late, until the fracture happens, until mobility is lost. But the truth is, the story begins much earlier, with a signal so subtle, it's easy to miss.
So, the next time you feel that imbalance, that hesitation, that slight weakness, don't ignore it. Because it might not just be a minor issue. It might be your body trying to protect you from something far worse. And the sooner you act, the stronger your future becomes.